Hello! Hi, we're baking with Bella today. Alright, so today we're making my grandma's egg pancakes.
She's my great-great.
Don't forget me! And there's Eli, the camera boy. Thank you, Eli. So this is my grandma. Grandma Schloss.
And Grandpa.
And Grandpa. Hi,
Wait,
Grandpa
let me
and
zoom
Grandma.
in. Wait, do it again.
And thank you, Shaunna. Is it focused?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Grandma and Grandpa, say
That's
hi.
our beautiful milk that I thought was coffee.
Milk that you thought was coffee. Okay, so this is what we do. You take 2 eggs, or let's make it a double bat. No, let's just do 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Let me make sure. Thank you, Shaunna, for the recipe. 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of milk.
I'm putting the eggs in.
2 eggs. Let's get these out of the way.
Oh, I'm gonna wash my hands.
Sorry. And then you take a 1/4 cup of milk.
1/4 cup of milk. I want to pour it.
I'm sorry, you get to pour. Go ahead. Go ahead. 1/4 cup of milk. Okay. So then you take a 1/4 cup of flour. Wait. Okay. 1/4 cup of flour. And a 1/4 cup of sugar. And you mix. So you take a tablespoon of butter.
Get that butter.
And you put it in a pan.
Here.
So now you wait till it's nice and brown a little bit. And then you pour it
I've done it a
in.
long time, so. Oh my gosh, the whole batter makes 1 pancake.
1 pancake.
1 pancake? So if you double batter, you get 2 pancakes.
And you have it like on medium heat.
Yes.
So it's gonna poof up.
Pop up. Look.
Have you ever had egg pancakes?
Nope.
It's ready. I think we have to turn it.
You think?
I think. Let me see the fork, please. Thank you.
We have other spatulas. Would you guys like the mint?
Not right now. So you carefully turn it,
Whoa. Here, let me
and now it'll puff up. Ooh, you guys, I think it's ready.
Oh,
So you wait till it's nice and golden brown.
So mesmerizing.
So now say what you do.
So now you just pour the syrup on.
So you pour syrup, and I like a little pancake with my syrup.
And then we just grab our forks and eat
And we
them.
grab our forks and we eat them. Nice job, Eli.
I don't get one, so
Come on, you get a bite. Come have a bite.
that's fine.
Come have a bite. It's all one big pancake.
Hot, 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 hot. Let's see how
Isn't
fun
it
is.
sticky?
No. Yeah.
No.
Hot.
How do I know? I haven't even tasted it.
Whoa!
I'm taking up the whole thing.
Wild.
I'm hungry.
It's hot. Eli, when did you get braces?
Oh, I'm hungry.
A long time ago.
Like a year ago.
I'm sorry, it was hot.
It was good.
Oh, God.
You okay?
That was good. Hot. Finish my bit.
Okay, have fun making my grandma's egg pancakes, which are sometimes called German pancakes or Swiss pancakes.
Or as I call them, egg cakes.
Egg pancakes.
Egg cakes.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Wrong.
Have a good day making your pancakes. Well, unless you're gonna make them.
You guys.